Tomorrow is the day where the adventure unfolds. DJI will reveal a new drone during an event in New York at 10 AM Eastern Standard Time. From what I can dig up around the net, it's the new DJI Mavic 2 aka Mavic Air that will be revealed. Is the Mavic Air the new and long expected Mavic 2? Let's look into what we can expect after the intro. Do you want to improve your drone footage, refine your video skills, learn about e-wheels, the future of commuting? Subscribe to my weekly tips, tests and tutorials. From the mysterious Adventure Unfolds video landed in my inbox last week, I've been kind of curious to find out what's going on. I've been checking my favorite forum mavicpilots.com frequently for the latest rumors. Here I found some leaked photos that shows a machine that's somewhere in between Spark and Mavic. There's also a common consensus that the new machine will be called Mavic Air. The suspicion of the name was further strengthened because the DJI.com/Mavic Air was pointing to the DJI.com website for a while. And this was not the case for any of the other candidates like Mavic 2 or Phantom 5. The most solid evidence is a Chinese poster that says Mavic Air, together with photos from various sources that show a machine in the same shape and size. Translating the poster reveals the following specs. I don't do Mandarin translation, so I can't verify if this is true. 32 megapixel camera, foldable, 3-axis gimbal, 4K video, fixed wing mode, gesture mode, 21 minutes of flight time. No surprise for the specifications for the most part, because this machine is supposed to be positioned between Mavic and Spark. The camera on the other hand seems to have almost tripled the amount of pixels. Let's hope they improve the dynamic range as well. The 3-axis gimbal seems to also to have been redesigned, and it looks more like the implementation that was chosen for Spark. Let's hope they have made an implementation that is way more solid than what they made on the original Mavic Pro. So far this looks really promising, and I really look forward to learning more about the real specifications for Mavic Air. I truly believe this is the drone that will be revealed tomorrow. But I could be fooled, this could be a marketing stunt with a clever decoy. But looking at the pictures from the Adventure Unfolds video and the photos shown, there are similarities in shape. We don't know the price of this new product, but $699 is a pretty good guess, as it would position it nicely in between Mavic and Spark. What do you think about these specifications? Are they appealing to you? Leave a comment below. In case you want to study the rumor threads yourself, I left a link for the Mavic Pilot forums in the description below. Thank you, and see you tomorrow after the adventure has unfolded.